Hello everyone, I'm Rahul and welcome back to my channel Rahul Education Academy. And the topic of this video is about discovery of neutrons. Neutrons are the third subatomic particles present inside the atom apart from the electrons and the protons. I have discussed about the discovery of electrons and protons in previous videos in much detail. I'll request you to go and watch those videos before so that you understand first about the discovery of electrons and protons before moving forward to understanding about discovery of neutrons. Coming back to neutrons, this subatomic particle was last to be discovered. The credit for the discovery of neutrons goes to British physicist James Chadwick, who established the presence of neutrons in 1932. He also received Nobel Prize in 1935 in physics for his work on discovery of neutrons. But even before Chadwick established the presence of neutrons, several scientists predicted the presence of another subatomic particle other than electron and proton inside the atom. This speculation of presence of another subatomic particle inside the atom was due to observed differences in the calculated atomic mass and experimentally measured atomic mass of different atoms. Before the discovery of neutrons, it was considered that the proton is responsible for atomic mass of atoms. As per this, the expected atomic mass of helium should have been 2 unit, the mass coming from the proton. But when scientists experimentally calculated the atomic mass of helium, it turns out to be 4 unit. This clearly suggested that atom should have another subatomic particle other than electron and protons, which is contributing significantly to the atomic mass. So before the discovery of neutron, it was considered that atom only contains protons and electrons. So now let's discuss about the experiment which led to the discovery of the neutrons. This experiment, which will be discussing now, was performed by several scientists before Chadwick. But it was Chadwick who fully explained the observation made in the experiment for the first time and hence got credit for the discovery of neutrons. So in this experiment, alpha particles are bombarded into a sheet made up of either beryllium, boron or lithium or maybe any other metal, but in the experiment it was mainly beryllium sheet were used, and after the bombardment on the other side of the sheet you see outcome of a neutral radiation. So this radiation, which are the result of bombardment of alpha particle on the beryllium sheet, was neutral. They had no charge. Initially, several scientists thought that it to be gamma radiation. But when in the next step of the experiment, you put a wax sheet or a paraffin sheet in front of these neutral radiations, they shoot out protons on the other side of the sheet. So these particles that you are seeing are protons, and no one was able to explain how protons are coming out of this sheet. Why? Because gamma radiation, the particle of gamma radiation are very small in size. and they will not have enough energy or doesn't have that much of mass to shoot out protons from a wax sheet or from the parafilm. So there must be something in this neutral radiation which has mass similar to the protons, which should have mass similar to the protons, but is neutral in nature. And from that, Chadwick explained that these radiations, this neutral radiation which is coming out after the bombardment of alpha particle on the beryllium sheet consists of neutrons, small neutron particles, which have mass similar to that of protons. And when these neutrons, which, which are neither positively charged or neither negatively charged, and that's why it was named neutrons, collide with the wax sheet or the parafilm, they knock off the protons. And that's why that's how why these neutral radiations contain neutrons. And this is how neutrons were discovered. It is neutrons which is interacting with the parafilm and shooting out protons on the other side. So that's it for today's video. I hope you are liking the video that I am making. As you can see, I am now reduce the use of paper and pen and trying to make video using only my laptop. If you want to know how I'm making this video, just drop a message in the comment section and I'll surely help you in making similar videos. If you like the content of my videos or have any question, any doubt regarding the concepts that I have been teaching, please write down that in the comment section again. Please like, share and subscribe my videos as it will encourage me to constantly create more videos and regularly improve the quality of my videos. Thank you.